Custom fields is a contact-based field present inside the system. This is a custom field, and this will be based on that contact specifically, okay? So let's say that I put in the weight as 20, and now I want their first name to appear. Let's just make it about, I saw that you filled in a form. Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the GoHighlevel overview series. In this video, we're going to talk specifically about custom fields, custom values, how they're different, and how they are a vital part of your back and forth communication with your client. So without any further delay, guys, I'm going to jump right in and show you what these are. So to explain, custom fields is a contact-based field present inside the system. Okay, so I'll just share my script workbook and show you what actually is. So for that, I'll go into contacts. I'll select a dummy contact whatsoever. Let's just go with this contact here. Now, if I scroll down, I see that there is a field here. So you see this field, this option, current weight. This is not a standard field. This is a custom field that we have created just to catch the standard current weight of that person. This is a custom field, and this will be based on that contact specifically, okay? So let's say that I put in the weight as 20, okay? Now, whenever in any correspondence whatsoever, I go in and I select here, this is where you can add a custom field. I click on contact, and I go into custom fields, and I select current weight. Yeah, it will show this value appear. Okay, now here's why you need custom fields, guys. Let's say you're doing an email marketing campaign, and here's what you need to do. Here's how you want to structure it. So the first email is, hey, and we will add here the first name of that person. Okay, so I'm just going to create a dummy text, dummy email template here, and you can change it down the line. Okay, I mean, you can change it wherever your preference. So I'm just going to do hey, and now I want their first name to appear. Okay, so I'm going to click on this option. I'm going to go to contacts. I'm just going to select the first name. Now, if I add 500 people in an email campaign, okay, and it starts with hey and the first name, okay, it will say their first name. In this case of this contact, it's the first name is Bastawar. Okay, so the email template will be hey Bastawar. Okay, now let's say I saw. Let's just make it about, I saw that you filled in a form and you wish to drop an extra. Let's just say she put in 20 pounds in this category. Let's just say there's a category that she wants to lose weight. Okay. Let's just do weight goals. So weight goal, let's just say she wanted to do 120 pounds. I'm not sure if it's that high. We don't have pounds here. We have kilograms. Or like, let's say she wants to drop, attain the weight of 120 pounds. Okay. And you wish to attain the goal weight of. Now, I want this value to appear here because her value is set to 120 pounds. So I'm just going to click here and just go to the contact, go to custom fields. Again, this is a custom field, guys. Go to W. And we have a lot of custom fields there because we usually use this account for training and demo purposes. So that's why we have a lot of fields here. So don't get confused. These are all customs made by the students who are practicing with us. Okay. So I'll just search. Okay, I'll just search. Yeah, weight goal. So it will appear. I saw that you filled in a form and you wish to attain the goal weight. To attain in your weight goal. Sorry, should be goal weight. Goal of 120 pounds. It's going to say 120 pounds. Let's hop on a call where we can show you how you can do that. Okay, let's just use this. So whenever I send this email out, okay, it's going to say, hey, Bastawar, I saw that you filled in a form and you wish to attain your weight goal of this 120 pounds. This is how it's going to appear for all the contacts, okay? And now I'm just going to do a test real quick for one of the contacts that are already in the system. And here's how we'll be doing it. I'll just use by email here. Yeah, this is it. So I'll just put in 120 pounds as a goal. Okay, it's there. Now it should say, hey, growth, I saw that you filled in a form and you wish to attain the weight of this amount of weight. Okay, so I sent it. Now I'm going to go into my inbox real quick and see how it appears. And I named it test 1, 2, 3. As subject line is test 1, 2, 3. I go to my inbox and I should receive an email. Yep, there we go. And hey growth, I saw that you filled in a form and you wish to attain your weight goal of 120. Okay. Alright. So yeah, this is how basically custom fields are going to be utilized. As I hope this makes sense. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can create the custom field. Okay. So for that, we go to settings. Click on custom fields. And click on add field. Now you see an option, single line, multi-line. You could create multiple variations of it. So we have total 14 types of custom fields. We create a single line one, a multi-line one, a text box, a number, a phone, a monetary value. Okay, a drop-down option for single selection, drop-down option for multiple selection, a radio select, checkbox, date picker, some place to upload a file, and a signature field. Okay. In this one, it's fairly simple, guys. I'm going to show you how to create a single line field and a drop-down line. All right, so I'm just going to name it test single line, and I want it to be displayed in the general info section, let's say. So I'm going to name it. I'm going to select the placeholder name, and yeah, I want it to be in the contact field, contact section, not in the opportunity section. Guys, we can also create custom fields for opportunities. I'll touch on this in this video as well. So yeah, I'll click on save. Now this field should be created. This name is test single line. It should be in general info. I'm going to go into a contact real quick. I'm going to show you. So I'll go into the general info section right here. Okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, now I'm in the general info section here, and it should show me test single line field. There we go. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to create another one just to show you guys a drop-down one. How you can create it. I'm going to custom fields again. I'll just delete the last one. So we'll show you guys. I'm just going to search it. Click here, and click on delete. And it's stopped. Okay, so I'm going to create another one. Let's say drop down single line. So I'm just going to do test. Now I'm selected to contact. It should be in contact. Option 1 is going to be test 1. Option 2, I can do test 2. Then option 3, I can do test 3. And then we'll go test drop down single line. Okay. So this one, guys, we created not in the general info section, but in the contact section. So it should be here. Test. We have a lot of fields. Here we go, guys. Test drop down single line. There's a field right there, and it's in the contact section here. Now, if I want to make some, we'll have an option to select whichever we want to go for. So I'm just going to test 1, test 2. So I'm going to test 1. And again, if I send out an email like this, it should display the test run option. Alright guys, so that's it for this video about custom fields. I know we need to touch on custom values as well, but this video got slightly longer, which is why I'm going to be making another video, separate video for custom values entirely. So stay tuned guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.